Where's the center? Okay. Hi Vogue, I'm Indira Scott, and here's how I incorporate glitter into my look. First, I do a facial cleanser just to make sure that my skin is super clean and fresh. Here's my eye mask. We don't want to be giving tired when we're going out. Here's my cute little face mask. I'm gonna put the first half on. It's really good for firming and lifting. We are giving Batwoman. I think it's definitely really important that you don't overdo it with the face mask because our skin on our face is very sensitive, especially if you're me. I leave this one on for 15 minutes, no longer than that. It can actually backfire and turn you into a little tomato. Break free of this. I kind of like rub it in a bit. Next, I'm gonna do lip oil. It's super helpful, especially with what I have going on with my lip right now. Then I'm gonna do this toner. It's especially good for dark skin tones. So I just take the toner and I rub it between two fingers and I put it all over my face. Next, some coconut oil. I put it everywhere, all over my body. And then I'm gonna put the remainder on my face so that I'm not putting too much coconut oil on my face. I basically use it as a form of highlighter. It just kind of naturally brings out the glow that you already have. It also moisturizes the hair. A lot of people usually ask me how my edges are able to be so healthy while modeling, having to do this high pony all the time, having box braids since I was a little girl. This edge control really helps. I just kind of apply it in my edges with my fingers. Make sure it's all in there. So next I do my trusty concealer. I'm gonna dab with my finger because everyone says don't rub. Spots are taken care of. We're gonna do some eyeliner. This is gonna give me a little edge because it's how I'm feeling today. I'm feeling edgy. I'm sweating. It takes such pristine focus for me to do things like this. Okay, so they're not matching at all, so we're gonna take a Q-tip and make them match. So yeah, now I'm gonna add like some dots. I just add some like dimension to the look. Glitter is something that we do for any occasion. Glitter is every day, glitter is grocery store, glitter is dinner, glitter is going out, glitter is brunch, glitter is festival. Glitter is life. Once again, I'm just gonna take my finger and just apply it. Clean that up. So now, I'm gonna do a boy brow, and I'm just gonna put a little on. What I like is wild eyebrows that looks like you didn't really try. People like different things. Then I'm going to curl my eyelashes because I'm not a mascara girl. I'm gonna use this lip and cheek tint on my cheeks. And I'm actually gonna use my finger. It's time for my lip oil to come off. My lips are feeling soft and ready. I'm also gonna apply the same thing I put on my cheek to my lips. I like a little stain. I'm not too into a full lipstick or lip gloss. And I'm gonna pull on my braids. They lift my pony more. But yeah, here's my going out look. I definitely give a lot of credit to all of you MUAs out there. It's definitely hard work. Okay, Vogue, thanks so much for getting ready with me. It's time for me to go now. Hi Vogue, I'm Indira Scott, and to watch more Vogue videos, subscribe here.